Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna unbox a new radar detector. The brand is Cobra. The model is RAD 480i. And the reason I picked this one is based on the price and the features. I do love those Passport and Unidems and even the Cobras in the $300, $400, $500, $600 range. But I cannot justify that to myself, so $139, it's much more affordable, and the features seem to be good. No GPS, but there is some sort of a Cobra network that kind of makes up for that. So this is it, right? So I already cut the tapes here, and let me open up and see how it looks like. So it comes with a thank you right there, and kind of a quick dashboard mount and options, illustration, some phone numbers and so forth. And let's take a quick peek on the detector itself. It's pretty small actually. Very nice. See, fits pretty much the palm of my hand easily. Okay, so let me open it. The plastic out. Wow, nice touch, nice size, well protected. And what else comes in this box here? Let's check. I need the, oops, there's another tape I think I need to cut. Let's see. No, it should just open from the inside, I guess. Just tight there. Yeah, just tight. Okay. So in here, as you can see, comes with a very simple mount with the two attachments to the windshield, and at Amazon also there are some nice more sturdy type of mounts that I got. And this is a very traditional, it's not hardwired, right? So this really goes to a standard type of 12-volt adapter. It's not an intelligent one that you can mute, by clicking the button or something on the adapter itself. So this is kind of a dumb type of adapter, but it does the job to provide 12 volts to the Cobra. So this is the unboxing. I'm going to do some testing later on. Much smaller than the previous Whistler that I had. Nice, nice design actually. And let's see how it works. Thanks for watching. Please click on subscribe, click on the bell to get notifications from new videos. Thanks for watching.